Okay, today on Chris Does What, we're going to be looking at this YONTEX battery and screen protector kit from YONTEX. See link down below. So when your Galaxy S5 battery gets tired, reach out to them. They also have other battery kits, so it's a great little product. So let's look into it. No, I won't do that. Get the battery, you need to go through 3 cycles from full charge to discharge. This will of course help prevent any memory. I didn't know there was memory to lithium-ion batteries, but all the instructions say there is, so I believe the experts. With this battery, you know, it is a 2800 milliamp, so it will give you the same battery life as your Samsung Galaxy battery. And I haven't had a problem with this. I've been running it now for a week, no problems. And I've got another battery in my wife's phone. It's another manufacturer that I'm going to compare this to. This battery is supposed to be a little bit bigger, but I haven't had any problems out of any of these batteries that I've gotten off Amazon. See link down below. I'll also leave a link down for this battery, so you can contrast them yourself. Another thing this kit comes with is a spring is it a spring protector? Screen protector. So you can actually put this over your screen to help prevent you from breaking it, or if you've already broken it, I dropped my phone on the cement. So if you've already broken it, you can put the screen cover over the top of it, and it will actually still be able to slide your finger across it.
Yeah. See how that broken? I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, I can run my finger across it because of the screen, so.
We'll go over the install now. Okay, so we're going to put this protective cover on our phone. So it comes with this wipe. And so you want to do wipe 1 first, which is your wet wipe. Gets your screen all wet and stuff. And they're small, but they're just alcohol wipes. So you just clean that off. You can probably use an alcohol window cleaner or something like that. So, and then once you have it wet, you want to, of course, dry it. So we open wipe 2. Wipe 2 is more fun, and you just simply take and rub it until you get all the moisture off of it. Hopefully we got all the you know, the cell phone is supposed to be one of the nastiest possessions you have. So we'll move them out of the way, and now we will apply the screen. So we'll remove the side one, not touching the sticky area. And we'll apply side 1 centered to your phone. If you do this in reverse, you're going to end up covering your camera and your speaker, and that's probably not going to be desired outcome for this. And just go ahead and push it down pretty solid. And after you have it pressed down, pull side 2 off. And it looks just as clear as when we started. And of course, it has all the touch features that it did before. So it doesn't impact anything, and it adds the add layer of protection. So if you want this product of your very own, see link down below. I really do like the screen protectors because, you know, my clumsy butt dropped my phone, and so it's not as rough on the fingertips. If you're
or get glass in them, oh, that's terrible. I actually got some glass in my finger from using this phone, so.
My phone's bad. Yeah. So if you're looking for great recipes, good eats, check out diningwithdanielle.com. See link down below. I think I flashed the link across the bottom a few times too. But
it's recipes.
Great recipes. Made me the man I am today.
Healthy.
And I'm healthy. I've actually lost weight. So we have had some people say, oh, you're going to be 2 times the man you are now. Well, no, because our food is healthy. It fills you up without all the extra fats and stuff.
Right.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there somewhere. Looks like that.
Not this one.
No, don't.
This one.
Yes. If you want to leave feedback, comment, you're welcome to. Subscribe, hit the little bell, and if you have any comments or feedback, leave it down below. We always try to respond to valid comments. Y'all please take care.